Igbo are included in this government. I think this is the first time Igbo will be having commissioner in Edo State. One will be essay to the governor too. That means spirit of oneness is in us, and we'll continue with that. And how do we keep Nigeria together? That is the most important.
In Benin alone is quite significant, and we thereby humbly request consideration for inclusion in your governance through appointments to ensure you of intelligent and effective service delivery. Thirdly, we wish to bring to your notice our ongoing effort to establish a mega international market at Okpebholo and Ute. Work is at advanced stage to complete this project. Our aim is to decongest the overcrowded market area in Mission Road, Okpebholo, Uwelu, Vareke, and the Ring Road areas. We respectfully appeal for support, both financially and administrative, including the enforcement of relocation by affected traders when the markets are ready.